The old mine-cut diamond is a classic and charming design that dates back to the 18th and 19th centuries. This antique cut is often referred to as the predecessor of the modern round brilliant cut. It features a slightly rounded square or cushion shape with large hand-cut facets and a high crown. Its small table and prominent open cullet give it a unique vintage appeal. What sets the old mine cut apart is its romantic, slightly imperfect look, which reflects the artistry and craftsmanship of a bygone era. Unlike modern cuts designed for maximum brilliance, the old mine cut produces a softer, candlelight-like sparkle, making it ideal for those who appreciate subtlety and historical charm in their jewelry. This cut is most often found in antique and vintage style rings, pendants, and earrings, loved for its timeless allure. Its unique characteristics make each stone one of a kind, resonating with individuals who value authenticity and tradition. For a touch of nostalgia and old world elegance, the old mine cut diamond is a truly captivating choice. If you want to learn gems and jewellery export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.